the 5 best robotic pool cleaners of 2023, tested and reviewed. Swim, splash, and relax. Let these tested robotic pool cleaners handle the grime. A robotic pool cleaner keeps your swimming pool clean without clogging the skimmer or burning out your filtration system. Aside from taking the labor out of cleaning your pool, some robotic pool cleaners come with features that allow you to schedule cleanings, check water temperature, and even monitor cleaning. They use software to determine how to clean your pool and do not need to be attached to a pump or circulation system, says Stuart Vernon, COO and founder of America's Swimming Pool Company. Instead, they use their own filter bag. The perk of using their own filter bag is a major plus for pool owners who don't want to constantly check their pool pumps after routine cleanings. Plus, many robotic pool cleaners are cordless, meaning they can be charged for a few hours and then dropped in a pool. No need to worry about line tangles or kinks. Over the past year, we've tested 18 robotic pool cleaner models from the top designers on the market. While our testing strategies have evolved slightly to differentiate between robotic, suction side, and other pool cleaner types, we've always evaluated each model on setup, design, effectiveness, ease of use, and value. Number 1. Best overall, Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Pool Cleaner. Our top pick, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus, offers all the functionality and convenience you'd expect from a robotic pool cleaner at a mid-tier price point. This robotic cleaner is designed for in-ground pools up to 50 feet long, and it cleans your pool end-to-end in around 2 hours. It requires no pumps or hoses, and it features dual scrubbing brushes to help remove dirt, algae, and other debris. This robot uses smart navigation to clean the floors and walls of your swimming pool, and its tangle-free cable ensures that it won't get stuck as it works. It's easy to empty the 2 cartridge filters from the top of the machine, and it captures large and small debris. We found that this pool cleaner is extremely easy to set up and start, and it picked up a noticeable amount of silt, as well as small leaves, petals, and bugs. It not only gets a pool sparkling clean, even after a crowd of swimmers, but also takes a lot of the worry out of caring for an in-ground pool. Plus, its built-in scheduler automatically starts a cleaning cycle every day, every other day, or every third day. We saw this cleaner easily climb the walls of an older-style pool, which are set at a 90-degree angle and have very little curvature between the floor and sides. A member of our testing team had also previously purchased a used Dolphin M400 model last year and said that the Nautilus was easier to use, faster at cleaning, and better at tracking with the floor. Keep in mind that you should remove the robot after each use to empty it and rinse the filters, and rinse off any excess chemicals. While the power supply to this robot vacuum isn't waterproof, its quick cleaning capabilities make up for a minor design error. Overall, this robot pool cleaner is a great choice for just about any pool style and is reasonably priced compared to other models with similar technology. How it performed long term. If you are feeling skeptical about investing in this model because of its high price tag, we can vouch that it's worth the investment. It not only saved us hours of manually cleaning our pool, but it also got better at mapping the pool over time. After 3 months of regular use during the summer, we didn't notice any negative change in its performance and are excited to break it out for more seasons in the sun. Number 2. Best value, Hyper Seagull SA Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. It's not often that you come across a robotic pool cleaner that's actually effective and affordable. The Hyper Seagull SA Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner floored us with its easy-to-use design and effective debris removal. While it's certainly not the most technologically advanced pool cleaner on the market, we found the straightforward operation refreshing compared to some models that can be overloaded with features. From start to finish, we enjoyed using this pool cleaner in a 40 by 18-inch in-ground pool during testing. It's easy to set up by simply popping in the cleaning brushes and fully charging it. We learned that if you don't allow it to fully charge, you may not experience as thorough of a cleaning job. The charge time is rather long at 2.5 hours. To start the pool cleaner, you press the button located on the top and drop it into your pool near an edge. It then winds its way around your pool. We recommend pulling it out a few times during a cleaning cycle to empty out the filter basket, which is secured by 2 levers on the top of the pool cleaner. Once the pool cleaner is done with a cycle or begins to run out of battery, it will self-park near your pool's edge for easy retrieval. We appreciated that this cleaner came with a retrieval hook, which can be attached to a standard pool cleaning pole. While observing this pool cleaner in action, we noticed that it struggled over large piles of leaves and leaves in general. However, we don't discredit its design on this fault given it's less advanced than other pool cleaners. However, it was very effective at removing pollen and other small debris from the bottom of the pool. The cordless design also allowed it to roam the pool bottom freely without being restrained or becoming tangled. All in all, we couldn't ask for much more from this $300 pool cleaner. Number 3. Best Smart Polaris VRX IQ Plus Robotic Pool Cleaner. For the ultimate pool cleaning convenience, the Polaris VRX IQ Plus is Wi-Fi enabled, allowing you to control it right from the iAqualink app. Using your smartphone, you can start or stop the cleaner, create customized schedules, and even see when the filter needs cleaning. This high-end robot cleans even the largest in-ground pools, thanks to its 70-foot tangle-reducing cable. It's important to note that a member of our testing team was using this cleaner in an above-ground pool, so she could not test its wall, step, or waterline cleaning ability. All in all, though, we were impressed by this cleaner's capacity, which easily handled the pool's floor, which was covered in algae and leaves. It also learns your pool size and dimensions during the first automatic cleaning cycle, so that it can further enhance and expedite cleaning during subsequent cycles. The 4-wheel drive helps this cleaner clean the walls, floor, waterline, and even steps. Thanks to its rear water cleaning system, it easily blows debris off stairs and out of tight corners so the machine can suck it up. Although this model is more expensive, innovative features like a convenient storage caddy and the patented Easy Lift removal system, which drives the robot up the wall to be easily removed, make this cleaner worth the splurge. This cleaner is quite heavy, weighing 21 pounds, but we thought it was still relatively easy to lift out of the pool thanks to the Easy Lift technology, which aids in most of the exertion of lifting from the bottom of the pool. How it performed long term. We love that we can control this robotic cleaner entirely from the compatible smartphone app. After experimenting with its cleaning capability in a hot tub, we'd advise that this model be used in larger pools, as it's not great at navigating smaller spaces. However, its performance and app capabilities make it a worthy splurge for busy families. Pool cleaners can vary widely in price. In most cases, the more functionality and features a unit has, the higher the cost. When determining how much to spend on a unit, consider your budget and the size of your pool, and how much debris you regularly find in it. While all of the pool cleaners in this roundup are more expensive, the time and effort that they offset from your daily routine may justify a steep price tag. Our pick for best value, the Iper Seagull 1000 robotic pool cleaner, does lack smart features and mapping,